Hi, welcome to this video. Here I will share my experience for Hirist job platform that is also known as Hirist.tech. So if you are a college student or working professional, then this video is very helpful for you to identify whether is it worth it or not. I also used its premium account so I can share the insights for that premium account as well. So let's start the video without wasting the time. So first is what is Hirist? So basically Hirist is a job portal where there are two options that you can log in as a job seeker or job recruiter. So I used Hirist.tech as a job seeker when I was a fresher. So I want to share my experience. I also used this premium account for 6 months. So next point is it is a job portal for technical jobs. So mainly Hirist.tech is a job portal for technical jobs, means for software engineers, software developers, or you can say web developer, full stack developer, front end, back end, Python developer, and so on. So if you want to become a tech professional, if you want to join IT industry, then this is very helpful. So now we understood Hirist is a job portal. So let's talk about its past. So before Hirist.tech, it was called as Hirist.com. Yes, you heard right. Before Hirist.tech, it was Hirist.com. Last year in 2024, Hirist.com changed the domain to .tech. Okay. So now the company has changed its job portal domain from .com to .tech, according to company, to better reflect its specialization in the technology job market. But I think the decision or the cause was different. So let's see why it switched from .com to .tech. So the point is, it's the review. If you check Hirist.com review, you will see there are a lot of negative reviews. So this is the Hirist.tech. So this is currently working website Hirist.tech, and you can see more than 50K recruiters, and also they have their mobile application for Android and Apple. Okay. So first thing I want to show this post. So this is the official post by Hirist on LinkedIn. They have clearly mentioned that we are switching our domain to Hirist.tech. Okay, and they have provided this cause, but I think the cause was different. If you see, so previously it was Hirist.com. So if you search for Hirist.com reviews, you will find this review, this website. This is mouthshot.com. So according to reviews which I found on mouthshot, if you see, first scam alert, Hirist.tech, and second one worst experience. So you can read the detail paragraphs. You can read detailed review by visiting this website or this particular link. Then if you see worst, do not hire, not working, not user friendly, the real scam. So there are a lot of negative reviews for Hirist.com. I think that's the main reason they have switched their domain to improve their visibility in the market, to improve the environment, to change the environment. So now we have done with our first slide. So let's move to second slide. Second slide, we will talk about features for Hirist.tech. So there is one option that you can choose premium account, which has two options. First one is early applicant, which has price 1499 for 6 months. And the second option is resume builder. The price is 1999 and the price is same. So the second option is resume builder. The price is 1999 and the duration is same 6 months. So what are the feature in early applicant? So I used this first option. I purchased early applicant for 1499 and the duration was 6 months. So the first feature was feature magic short rank. So in this early applicant premium account, what is the facility? If you suppose you are applying for a job and already 1000 person has applied, but if you have premium account, then after applying 1000 candidates, your rank will go up. Means your rank will improve, and recruiter will get your rank around 500 something. Okay. So that's the first advantage I faced, that if you are applying very late, still you can improve your rank with the help of premium account. This is first feature. Second feature was you will get email. So as soon the new job will post on the portal, you will get direct email on your personal account. Okay, on your, so you will get email for new job posted on the Hirist. This, so these are the two features in the early applicant. One was to improve your rank. If you are applying very late, still you have advantage. Then you will improve. You can improve your rank, and recruiter can view your resume, because suppose there is a window that recruiter, if total applicants are 1000 and recruiter checked only 500 candidates resume, because recruiter already got the required candidates. So it will help your, it will improve your chance, it increase your chance to get a call. That's the main basic funda. Second feature is you get email every time. If there is new job posted on the job portal, you will get an email. So these are the two features in the early applicant. Next thing, according to Hirist, approximately 15K job opportunity posted every month. But I think this is not real. And if you remove 20, then I think it is good. It is feasible. It is realistic. Next point is these features doesn't provide you a guarantee of placement. Okay, this is just a support feature. This is a job assistance feature only. So let's move to the third slide, which is about issues and limits I found on this job portal. So first is daily application limit. So in a one day you can apply only 200 jobs. Okay. I think this is not issue, but this is a limit. The next is filter issue. Yes, this is the very worst thing I faced. Suppose you are a fresher. So there are filters, like you can choose any filter, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. 2 to 3. So if you are a fresher, definitely you will choose 0 to 1 filter to get the jobs which required only experience between 0 to 1 years. But the filter doesn't work according to this range. The portal shows all the jobs which has this number 0 or 1. That means if there is job for 1 to 5 year experience or 1 to 2 year experience, the filter shows all the jobs including this. So you need to manually search the 0 to 1 experience jobs, and it leads to the waste of your time. So it is just a waste of time that you have to manually search for 0 to 1 year of experience jobs because filter doesn't work properly. Then third point is no count of applied jobs. So there is no way to see how many jobs you have applied. No numbers. And the fourth point is ghost jobs. If you see, I also faced some jobs which were present in morning. I applied those jobs, but in the evening, if I check whether there is any update, they are not present. That means there are a lot of ghost jobs. And the next point is slot problem. Suppose you are very lucky and you got a test link. Suppose there is MCQ and you have cleared this first round. Then you are shortlisted for technical round. Okay. So for this technical round, you need to book a slot. And the problem is there are no available slots before 1, 2, or even 3 months. That means you have to book slots after 2 or 3 months. That means again it is your waste of your time. So let's move to the new slide that is all about my experience. How many months I have invested, how many offers I got, how many calls I got with the help of Hirist. So first is how many calls, technical telephonic rounds I got. So in the 6 month I invested and calls I got around I think 2 to 3 only. Okay. Yeah, that's the reality. 2 to 3 calls I got only. And same for first round, if you are getting MCQ rounds, that the count is same. Only 2 to 3 companies I got MCQ round or first round. Next point, how many offers I got. So now you can analyze this situation that if someone is getting 2 to 3 calls within 6 months, then definitely the number of offers should be 0. The next point, there are lot of scams happening, which demands fee request, which demand your personal details, and they want to move candidate from Hirist to another portals or their personal websites for completing their agenda. So there are a lot of scams, there are a lot of ghost jobs. I think which is and this is not the problem for only Hirist, but this is the problem for every job platform nowadays. But the results are very shocking. That how many calls you are getting, how many offers you are getting, features, limits. The next slide is about outcomes. So what it gives to the market or to the candidates. So basically this platforms gives an illusion that there are a lot of jobs in the market. And the second problem is there is no response from the recruiter. There is one chat feature, but recruiter do not reply mostly lot of time. And if you are applying aggressively or without aggressively, lot of time you will be rejected by recruiter. You will not get opportunity for even technical round first or telephonic round after purchasing premium account, which totally leads to waste of time. And also I told you this situation, if somehow if you are very lucky person and you get shortlisted and then you have to choose slot duration, then the slots are not available before 2 or 3 months. So if you are a person which want a feeling that you are receiving new job emails, then you have to subscribe their premium account and to get a feeling. So now question is, what Hirist does against spam. So I think first action was they have switched their domain to .com to .tech. Okay, but I think this is not the solution. That if you have a lot of scams, ghost jobs, then this is not the solution that you are changing your domain from .com to .tech just to improve your visibility or to change the environment. The second action taken by Hirist is they have one article on their blog. If you read this job, it is totally about how to protect yourself from online job scam. Hirist is also aware that in their job platform there are a lot of scams and ghost jobs, and that's why. But still, Hirist didn't make any solid actions. Still, there are a lot of scams, ghost jobs, and they have just switched their domain and only writing articles, switching from domains. This is not the solution. So now question is, what is the conclusion? So my conclusion is, don't rely solely on Hirist. There are a lot of good or better job platforms. You can use them. So if you want to know about these job platforms, you can comment us. We will make a separate video about those platforms which are working and which are very effective to get a job. And those job platforms do not waste your time. The next point is, according to my experience, this is not for freshers because I used the premium account for 6 months, but the output was very disappointing. 2 to 3 calls, 2 to 3 MCQ rounds, and lot of scams, ghost jobs after giving or after buying premium features. So this is not for freshers, according to me. And if you check the reviews or if you do research for experienced person also, or if you will ask with any experienced professionals that what is your review about Hirist, then I think it is not good. So in my recommendation, you should use it once for some period of time, but without premium account, because taking premium account or without premium account, it is same. Features are not able to increase your opportunities. So I hope you got my point, what I want to convey. If you have any doubts, you can connect us, you can comment us. That's all about this video. Thank you.